However,
The 2023 presidential election has come and gone, but not fully over. With the introduction of the Primordial Voter Accreditation System, DVAS, and the Independent National Electoral Commission result viewing portal, as well as the assurance of the INEC that the results of the elections will be transmitted electronically in real time from the polling units. Nigerians looked forward to free, fair, and credible elections, and so trooped out during the elections as never before in our national history to vote for their preferred candidates, hoping that their votes will count. Despite the reassurances by the INEC to deliver credible general elections in 2023, the election fell short of the people's legitimate expectation, as well as moral and legal standards. The confidence of citizens in the 2023 electoral process was eroded by the many pitfalls and irregularities evident before, during, and after the elections. As many national and international observers have already pointed out, the general elections were flawed by threats, intimidation, violence, the spilling of blood, poor logistic arrangements, engagement, impunity, as well as the lack of transparency, manipulation of results, abuse of the power of incumbency, alleged glitches, and outright rigging. Nigerians were disappointed that INEC failed to uphold the presidential results, upload the presidential results in real time as promised. By the time the chairman of INEC, Professor Mahmoud Yakubu, declared the presidential results, the results from thousands of polling units have not been uploaded on the IREV, and a high percentage of the uploaded results required for the verification and authentication of the normal results were defaced or blurred. In some instances, irrelevant objects were uploaded on the IREV. Contestants in the presidential election who protested against the electoral process and the results hurriedly declared by the INEC chairman were advised to go to court, and they did. After hearing their petitions, the Presidential Election Petition Court delivered its ruling in a marathon judgment on 6th September 2023. The 5 justices of the Election Petition Court unanimously dismissed the petitions. According to them, they lacked merit. Despite the billions of naira of taxpayers' money appropriated for the position of the biggest technology as a game changer in Nigerian elections, the judges in the ruling tried, among other things, to suggest that it was wrong to expect INEC to keep to this promise or obey the electoral regulation of transmitting election results electronically in real time from the polling units. While respecting the views of the judges, 2 of the petitioners rejected their verdict as lacking in justice, and so have decided to head to the Supreme Court to seek justice. As this case went on to the next level, the fate of the country continues to hang in the balance. And the future of democracy in our land stands on the edge of a precipice. We pray and hope that the Supreme Court judges will neither bend the law nor seek to satisfy the whims and caprices of any party. We also pray and hope for a day in our nation when election results will be finally decided at the polling units and not at the courts.